What is a leaflet? There are so many ways to share info offline these days. You've got your brochures, your leaflets, your pamphlets, and hang on a second. What is a leaflet exactly? And is it really that different from other types of handouts? It's worth saying that leaflets are really popular. Their main goal is to advertise. You've probably been handed quite a few of them when you're walking through the mall doing some shopping, or gone to grab a cup of coffee. Unlike brochures and pamphlets though, leaflets are a single sheet of paper, and you probably won't find paper this cheap on the Queen of England's desk. But it is perfect for printing mass amounts for handing out at festivals or events. And despite their differences, a solid marketing strategy can involve brochures, pamphlets, and leaflets. A solid mix of the three can help boost your sales. Well, that just about sums it up. When you think leaflets, think advertising, single piece of paper, and low cost. You can also think easy to make, because creating a leaflet is far from a headache. With the leaflet template from Envato Elements, just drag and drop your best photos and text into the layout. From here, all you have to do is get ready to print. You're now ready to send out a cool ad into the world, without stressing about designing something from scratch. This leaflet is a prime example. It's vibrant and attention-grabbing, just like other templates from Envato Elements. If you're interested in learning even more, or want to check out some other templates, head to the description below. And if you want more content like this, give this video a like and subscribe to the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel.